Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, SLT preferred equipment group, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.